Hi, welcome to Engineering and Project Management channel. I'm Khan. Today we're gonna discuss about the mining safety and the codes and the laws. This is very important. We do major mining, and there we need the safety code according to which we can develop our mine, whether it is surface mining or underground mining. So safety is necessary in any workplace. So in this video, the reference for this I took the Alberta mining safety laws, but in between I will discuss about the some major mining deposits in Ontario, and then step by step I will go what are these laws and how as a mine manager or engineer and supervisor or the owner can keep this code in compliance with the codes to do a safe mining. So I hope you will enjoy it, and let's start it. Example of major. So this is an example of the gold mines. It's in Ontario, Canada, and the mining district is name is Timmins. Timmins is the district where the gold mine is done in Ontario. So this is the major mining districts in Timmins where gold bearing strata is located in the formation of Formation of gold is in quartz veins, and formation is from continental collision called Forsophene star fault. So this formation is actually from the continental collision, and which make a fault at that time, and then the mineralization is in that fault. So the ore is called telluride, and selenite. AU is aurum is Te2, and this is the first one, and AgAu Te2 is the another one. What I have to show you here, that there is a mine. Sometime it goes like this mine, Kid Mine Timmins, deep mine. It goes to 9,801 or 802 feet. The mining, where the mining is done, and the shaft is more deep from this lens, so it's almost 10,000 feet. So you can go and if you want more detail about the geology, so http://www.geologyontario mndm.gov .on.ca. So this is the website you can go about, and can see, check the geology and the mining. So we need mining safety laws because it's so deep, and if it is surface mining or deep, but we need safety laws. This is another example. This is another example. It's very popular mining districts like Timmins in northern Ontario. It's a nickel mines mining, Sudbury, Ontario. The deposit is 20 kilometer wide and 60 kilometer long. The shape is a basin shaped formation. And the most important thing what I have to share with you, that it's contain copper, nickel, cobalt, platinum, gold, and silver. So the copper and nickel is in a major portion, and the other are in the minor portion. So it's in the Canadian Shield. Canadian Shield is well, in next video I will give the lecture about this. So nickel copper deposit, the formation is believed to be formed by the molten magma. A rich metal solution from Earth's surface comes out and form Cater type nickel copper deposits of Sudbury. This is the first geological theory, and the second one is the large meteorite from space impacted Earth crust, and with a heavy blow, where magma comes out from within the surface, which contain nickel, copper, up to date deposits. So there are two theories about this. So yes. Mining methods, what they use today is the nickel sulfur deposit surface mining method. The mining method, I just checked, they use a surface mine methods, open pit mining. Maybe they have changed it recently, but so far online, you can Google it and search it. So production of nickel and copper is 8 million ton. So far, silver is 3,200 tons, platinum 300 tons, gold 100 tons. So far is published in 2021. The reference is, you can go and http column /naturalresources.canada.ca, and for the geology, you can go here http column /dgoyce minerals.com. It's bracket David Joyce minerals. Google it, so you can find more information about the. So in between let's go to safety. In between, I share some information with you guys about the some major mining districts in Canada or around the world. So this is Occupational Health and Safety Code of Alberta, which was our main topic of today's lecture. So part 36, mining, it's online. Topic is related to Alberta mines, all these related. So safety. Division 1 course. So journal is 5331, mine plan, fire prevention, emergency response, electrical system, rubber ties, self-propelled equipment, and conveyors. So these codes mention how you can do these things in mine according to the code. If it's not according to the code, so you are not do it legally. You doing it, but you gonna do it according to this code system. So safety law division 3. And division 3 of the safety law is a mine worker, fire prevention, and mine equipment, and excavation and emergency. So in this division, you can check how the mine worker will work and what will be the timing of on and off vehicles. Fire prevention, where if there is a fire comes out due to electrical shock, or if you are working in a coal mine, so dust or from other thing, if the fire comes out, so what you can use at that time. And the mine equipment, diesel or electrical equipment, what the code says, how you can you use your equipment. And then the evacuation and emergency in the time of emergency, this code discuss. Vehicles, also discuss about the vehicles, roof and side support. This is an underground mining, very important. Ventilation system, how you will do the ventilation system. Oxygen and air is very poor in underground mining. So what the division 1 says. Ventilation system, so air and oxygen, gas and dust control, and mining certification operations. So division 3 discuss all about these 8 things. Closes the sound sometime that. So division 1, section 5331, an employer must make and maintain a mine plan that include current working survey every 3 months, current working area sketch, working paces, and working area direction, depth, inclination, and legal covered area of the mine. So this must be present, and the owner makes sure that the mine manager and the management make this mine plan every 3 months and keep it in the site office. Uh, any right of way, pipeline or utility who passing that must be mentioned in the slides. Location of drill holes, reporting a dangerous situation to the inspector of mines. This also this code discuss about these things, and certification of underground mine manager and supervisors. So how you can get it from the chief inspector of mines of the province. So these are the safety codes. So you can go and in detail you can study. If you are working as a mine manager or as an engineer, or if you are the owner, so you make sure that the code is properly absorbed on the mining site, whether you doing underground mining or surface mining. So maybe I can give you step by step another lecture on this, but it's a quite big. But this is a little bit introduction about all these things. The most important thing that the mine plan every 3 months, which shows the mine working area and the survey and everything, it must be present on the mining site, the hours of the workers and the staff, and how you can evacuate mine workers and mine staff during emergencies, and what type of electrical in underground mining we need electricity. So how you can install your electrical system in underground mining for the lightning. And the most important thing is the ventilation. Like in our engineering, you have to provide fresh air to the workers and to the machinery operators and to the drillers. And if it's a continuous mining operation, machinery using still, if it's there is a dust, so you gonna control it. So you need a parallel shafts with another shaft where the air goes, natural air goes from one side and then come out from the other side. If not, then you have to use the fan, blower fans, and so that the fresh air can go to the mine and the dust and the other come out through the exhaust. So you need to connect in your map after every 100 meters, give a connection for the ventilation. First purpose is the ventilation. The second one is for the safety. If there is a subsidence or fall or something, so the worker can go from other sides. Usually it's very difficult, but as an engineer and as an owner, we need to do it. And then the safety like helmet, gloves and cloth is for the workers and for the staff who working there. The machinery using like the loader and the trucks or diesel or gasoline engine, so the ventilation is very important. And then the support system is support system means like if it's hard rock, let's say an example of the Timmins districts where the country rock is hard, so you can go for first shaft. You're gonna excavate the shaft, whatever size you do, and then the shotcrete lining of the shafts, And then once you reach to your deposits, and then you start edits. So the width and the length and the ventilation system and the support system. So these things must be mentioned properly in the plan, and also for the safety of your workers, and to do mining safely. So I hope you got the idea, and here is the reference. So this is the reference Occupational Health and Safety Code of Alberta, http column double slash search. Sorry, let me go to this one. So for the code, safety code, I picked the Alberta. So this is http column double slash search dash ohs laws.alberta.ca occupational health. I am Imtiaz Khan Yousafzai. So you can go and search also online, Google it, occupational health and safety code of Alberta. So from the beginning, we go to the slideshow, and then from the beginning. So this is the first slide. We're gonna escape from here. We can come here from slideshow. This is the first one, second, third, fourth, nine, and 10. Thank you, and have a nice day.